How are all of you? I'm so excited to share my winter holidays adventure with you guys. Can you guess where I am? I am in Japan and I am at these fantastic natural hot spring pools. They're just amazing. Wow. So here I am relaxing in these beautiful pools. The water is warm and it's like a dream come true. I've been here for a while now. And you know what? I'm starting to feel pretty hot. What should I do? I know. I'll ask the pool workers to lower the temperature a little bit. Hey guys, can you help me out here? Oh, that's unexpected. Look at this sumo wrestler. He has a big bucket of ice and he's tossing it into the pool. Okay, it's getting colder. Yes, it's colder. Yeah, it's colder. It's colder. It's a bit too much. I better ask him to stop. Please, excuse me, Mr. Sumo Wrestler. That's enough. It's too cold now. All right. I'm feeling really chilly now. No, I can't hold it. Please, can someone warm up the water for me? Anyone? Oh, look at that beautiful girl. And she has a, what? That's a bucket of boiling water? All right, please, a little bit warmer. Oh, yeah, it's warmer. It's warmer. It's definitely warmer now. Oh, wow. It's getting a bit too hot. Excuse me, lady, can you stop? Okay. Oh wow, it's too hot now. Yeah, I can't hold this water for me. It's too hot. Miss Sumo Wrestler, can you come back for a second? I have an idea. What about just 2 blocks of ice this time? Yeah, please. Yeah, now it's a little bit colder, but still warm enough. Oh, perfect. Thank you, guys. Thanks for helping me find out the right temperature. Whew. Now I'm much better. Thank you, guys, and goodbye.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.